So now let's see what else we have in the box. We have this bag. So this one is from Stanley. Product code is FMST1-73607. It's a 2.2 kg bag. Okay. Manufacturing is November 2023. MRP is 5947. Okay. Stanley FatMax 43 centimeter 17-inch waterproof base. Yeah, this should be waterproof. Let's measure the dimension from the base itself initially, and then we will check. So this, if we check, see, this one is around 44 centimeter, and this one is around 30 centimeter. So it should be like 43 into 30. It should be the base. If you see here, this quality is not that good, but this, it's good. Let's see what else we have. Here we can keep our tools, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then what else we have? The quality of the chain is good. Okay, we have few other tools here. We'll review this one later on. Let's check this thing. How the bag is. Okay. So here I can keep some tools. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Similarly here also 1. Then this 2, 3 and 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. And here also we have the bags. Like we can keep something here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. What else we have? So here also we can keep few things. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Screwdrivers we can keep. Here also we can keep something. This is a strap where you can maybe fix something. There's 2 more spaces here on the top or from the top. This looks beautiful. This is like strap. This quality is not that high for this strap and this one. Just this one is good. From the front, Stanley FatMax. Here also you will see the badging, Stanley FatMax. The chain quality is also good. So they have given 2 chains. Okay, so I think I have to use both the hand to close the chains. Yes. So this is one side, how it looks. On the side we have 2 spaces. You can keep something here also. Here also you can keep. Here also 2 chains. And here also you can keep few things. They have put a staple here. I will remove it later on. Waterproof base, 43 centimeter, 17 inch. So this will be my go-to tool bag, maybe for few years. Let's see.